This decision by the Jamaican government and the Prime Minister to create a new order called the National Icon instead of awarding Miss Lou and Bob Marley the Order of National Hero is the main reason why so many Jamaicans has lost interest in Heroes Day and why Heroes Day has become meaningless to the general public. Miss Louise Bennett and Robert Nesta Marley are viewed around the world as Jamaican cultural icons, so this order does absolutely nothing to honor what they have done for the development of Jamaica as a country. What it does is reinstate that the Jamaican government has been showing us that, in their opinion, no Jamaican in the last 50 years plus has accomplished nothing worthy of the Order of National Hero in their eyes. Just come out and say that the last person proclaimed a national hero, Sir Alexander Bustamante, has many questionable things in his resume, like his 1963 order to bring in all Rasta dead or alive, which directly led to the murder of many Rasta by the Jamaican security forces in the Coral Gardens Black Friday incident. I personally believe the Jamaican government still has issues with Rasta imagery, and they're okay with monetizing Rasta for tourism, but not with Rasta being viewed as a national hero characteristic. So they will not grant Bob Marley that distinction because he was a Rasta man, and if Bob Marley can't be named a national hero, they can't name anyone else without public backlash. So to pacify the Jamaican public, they create a shiny new order, like the Order of National Icon,